Once again, this is Josh from the Daily GQ. Nandito naman tayo sa napakadumi kong garahe. So, may aso pang kasama. Obviously, this video is going to be another DIY video. Hopefully, may tuto na kayo dito na hindi na kailangan dalhin sa shop. You can do it by yourself, save money, save time, and save gas. Now, ano ang i-DIY natin today? So, recently ko na ito nakuha. And then, I felt like kailangan ko na siyang ikabit kasi hindi na tama yung nararamdaman ko sa kotse ko pagka lumiliko ako. Bakit? Kasi, nag-install ako recently ng new tires. So, I have new tires. 12.5s and 33s. Wala na yung, naka-offset na rin pala ako. So, wala na yung before. Yan siya. Palit ako ng bagong set. Having said that, nahihirapan na yung steering mechanism ko. So, kailangan ko na mag-upgrade. And for my upgrade, a Tagdog RTC. So, hindi ito yung the best upgrade na nandyan na meron sa market. Pero ito yung kaya ng budget natin. I think, hindi naman siguro siya magiging problema. Either way, it will help sa steering. Anyway, so ito siya. So, obviously, may spring na siya for better performance. Also, ito, na-adjust siya dito kung gaano mo yung tension gusto mo sa steering mo. Now, why ako magkakabit? Again, kasi I have oversized tires. I have 33s by 12.5. So, para lang makatulong ng onte sa steering ko. Better steering, driving, less wobbling, and then yung kabig mo wala kahit papano, kahit onte. And, well, I guess, bottom line is, mas lalambot siya. And also, mababawasan yung kickback when nasa trail tayo. Kasi with my stock steering damper, ang liit. So, hindi na niya kayang suportahan yung malalaking gulo. What is in the box? Obviously, ito lang. Allen screw, collar, which is yung iipit sa springs, and the RTC itself. Alright, so step 1. Kailangan yung wheels and steering wheel perfectly centered. Kailangan pantay na pantayan. Otherwise, magkakamali yung geometry and sukat mo ng steering damper. So, before mo alisin yung steering damper, lalagyan mo ng mark yan dyan. Nasaan yung sleeves nang nasa gitna yung steering damper. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo. And then, susukatan mo from the mounting points. And then, isulat mo yon kasi gagamitin mo yon later. Okay, so next step is hanapin natin yung minarka natin kanina. Kasi doon tayo magbe-base ng sukat. So there it is. Yeah. See that? That's the mark. So susunod natin siya dito. Okay, so aligned na sila. So from the last coil, kailangan ko lang mag-measure ng 27 millimeters or 2.7 centimeters. Then, ilalagay natin yung base, yung taas. This is the base. Ila-line up natin siya doon sa mark na ginawa natin. Now, if you can see, parang hindi siya fit yung collar. Pero ganun talaga siya kasi kailangan siyang hampasin ito for this model. Okay. Isa lang. Okay, so first collar done. Kailangan ko lang itapat yung other half. And then just oil it. On the way. So there you go. Old and then new. Okay, the only thing left to do is to mount it. There you go. Easy. Done. Didn't pay any labor fee. Wala akong binayaran. Di wala akong umalis para pumuntang shop. Konting YouTube lang. If you're new to this channel, by the way, please consider subscribing, liking, even sharing my videos. I hope you enjoyed this DIY vid. See you again next time. Thank you.